I know say the swearing in of the judges wey we do don't cause small palava, but na part of our intention to ensure the reform of the entire arm of government for the state. Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki talked this one for the swearing in of 5 judges to the bench of the Edo State High Court. The swearing in of the judges shele for Government House Benin City.
I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly to the best of my ability and the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
Oga Obaseki come pledge the government support to the judiciary and come urge them to do right to all cases where people go bring before them. A constant talk say,
I know that the swearing in of the judges, which we are doing today, has raised quite a few issues, but let me make it clear that as part of our intention to ensure the reform of the entire gamut of government in Edo State, when we get complaints or we receive petitions about that will not augur well or strengthen the process, what we're trying to build, the judiciary which we're trying to build, I believe it is important and it's that we take a step back and examine these petitions critically, and that is what has happened in this case. And we are currently waiting on the NJC to let us know the outcome of its decisions on the other judges on whom we have received petitions. Whatever the outcome of the NJC, as a state government, we will comply. I want to congratulate the judges who have been sworn in today and to say that you truly are indeed very lucky. Now you are likely to spend a lot more time in the judiciary, in your service in the judiciary, because of the extension of the retirement age in that service. I want to wish you well in your careers as judges and trust that you will always do right to all cases that are brought before you.
Speaking on behalf of the new judges, Osayende Ikumosi will come here and say them go do their jobs and perform their duties to the best of their abilities.
We are going to observe, by the grace of God, all the oaths of office that we have taken today. And we also say and we pledge that nobody who is present here today in this hall will regret being here today, because we are going to do our jobs and perform our duties in this our great state and Nigeria to the best of our ability to the grace of God.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House Benin City, Ekata Ujisali, TMC TV News.